Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to tell you how to control 3D objects and rotate them when you are on desktop. So normally your controls are WASD. When you pick up an object like this cuttlefish here and you hold it in your hand, it's kind of stuck at whatever angle it started with unless you use IJKL. This allows me to, with I and K, to rotate it along the vertical axis, and then with J and L I can do it along the horizontal, and you can do some weird, by combining them, some weird floating 360 effects if you want. Normally this wouldn't matter if you were using VR controllers, because you could just plop this on the ground, pick it up, and manipulate it using your actual hands. So just remember, it's JKLI, or IJKL, whatever you want to think about it as. I will put those keys up on the screen for you. And that's just been this quick little tutorial. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.